Workers Crap V860 on there, Johnny Morehouse. The 1953 URA Championship car, 1:15 mains, 10 seconds. Stadium race in 1953. The Edmonds Abbey, you're looking at Les Stark out of the Valley that has this car. And the Donovan Stark mini sprints, midgets and sprints, he also is the person responsible for building those. In the Richter car, number 60, not here today. Car number 74, that's the Edmonds Abbey. Les Stark again doing this. Les drove first and fastest in 1948 in the Western United States. The Edmund Chevy 2, that's Rick Schmez from El Cajon. The Midwest Hot Shoe car has 2 national titles. The Edmund Chevy, car number 1 in the sprint car division. You see Lee Cook in that car. Don Peabody was the car. It was driven by Billy Wilkerson to 2 CRA championships.